boys and girls, it's Mrs. Renner. How are you today? We are going to be learning about a number. There's a clue in the picture what number we're going to be learning about, boys and girls. I'm wearing it on my shirt. This number comes after 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job, boys and girls. It is the number 9, and I'm wearing it. Anytime we talk about numbers at school, Mrs. Renner thinks that it's a great idea to make the number and then either hang it up in your house, or I think you should wear it for the day. Make fun with it. Have fun, I mean. You want to wear it, talk about it, look at it, share it with your family, and then that way it helps you to remember what it's called, okay? So this is a number 9, and I'm going to show you how to write the number 9 right now. So you want to grab a piece of paper and a marker, and I'm going to show you how to make the number 9. But the first thing we have to do, boys and girls, on our paper is what? What do we always have to do? We always have to write our name at the top. So Mrs. Renner is going to be writing her name right now for you. So you can then write your name while I'm writing my name at the top of the paper, boys and girls. So I'm going to write my name. Let's see if you can see this. Mrs. Renner. And then I am going to turn my paper so we're writing it together at the same time. We are going to write the number 9 together now. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see. When you write a number 9, there's always a little poem to remember to help you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a loop, and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. So you make a loop and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. Boys and girls, Mrs. Renner is going to try to practice some 9s right now. I would like for you to try to practice some 9s. If you're not sure how to make a 9, please ask a grown-up at home to help you. So again, remember that little saying, make a loop and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's how you make a number 9. So boys and girls, we are going to play a game. And we're going to try to practice. Sorry, I've got to back this up a little bit for you so you can see me. Can you see me? Okay. So there's our number 9. We are going to, now that we practiced writing it, we are going to play a game. We are going to get out our 10 frames. If you have 10 frames at home, if you don't, Mrs. Renner will show you how to make a 10 frame right now. It's really easy. If you need help, you can ask a parent. But when you make a 10 frame, you want to get a piece of paper, and the first thing you want to do is you want to make a rectangle, boys and girls. Do you remember how to make a rectangle? Okay, it's down and over and up and over. That's how you make a rectangle. So you want to go down and over, then up and over. That's how you make a rectangle. And then I want you to make 4 dots. So when you look at your space, you can see Mrs. Renner already has some dots here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And I want you to draw a line straight down and go to this part of the rectangle. So start here at the dot and go dive down, go straight down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I put a dot over here on this side of the rectangle, and I had put a dot over here. So now you want to connect the dots. So you just go straight across like this. Okay, so you just want to space it out so you have, once you're finished, you're going to have 10 boxes, and you want them to have good space in between. We don't want it to be like a container of French fries where everything's real close together. We want the lines to be spaced out so they look like little doors. Okay, so now that you have your 10 frame ready, we are going to play a game with a straw, and you have to, when you're finished, you want to put the numbers on your 10 frame. This is like a matching game. We're going to be playing a matching game from numbers 1 to 9 since we're practicing up until 9. We're talking about the number 9. So we wanted to write those numbers in each box just like Mrs. Renner did. And then I would like you to get scrap paper. It can just be any type of paper. And I want you just to cut out little squares. And I want you to write numbers on them from 1 to 9. So Mrs. Renner has 1, 2, and I want you to cut them out. 3, 4, they're just little squares, little pieces of paper. 5, 6, 7, let me see, 8, and 9. So I have 9 squares, and I want you to make sure you cut them out, and I want you to put them on the table right in front of you like I'm doing, because we're going to pick them up with a straw, boys and girls. So hopefully you have a straw at home. You're going to need a straw, and then we're going to pick them up and we're going to match them. We're going to pick up a number with the straw, and then we're going to match it on our 10 frame. We're going to match where it's at. So if I pick up a 7, I'm going to put a 7 down. So let's see, boys and girls, I'm going to try it. Let's see. I just want to make sure you can see everything I'm doing at home here so you know what to do there at your house. This is a really great game. It's pretty cool. I think you're going to like this. So I'm looking for the number 1. So I know you see the number 1 here. But I need to come over here to the paper that Mrs. Renner cut out. Do you see the paper? Let me see if I can find it for you. The video recording is tough for me. So we're looking for the number 1. So I'm actually just going to turn my numbers this way, because then that way at home you can see what I'm doing. So I want to make sure we're all seeing the same thing at home. So you want to put your numbers down on the table, and then like I said, we're looking for the number 1. That's the number I'm looking for right now. So on my table, I'm going to get my straw I have here, and we're going to pick it up, okay? So I'm going to put the straw right on top of the number 1, and I'm going to, it's almost like when you're drinking your milkshake, or if you're drinking some water or juice and you have to suck up. So you have to pretend you're sucking up the number 1. Are you ready? Watch. We got it. See? And then you want to come over here to your 10 frame, and you want to put the number 1 right there. Look at that. Now we need the number 2. We need the number 2 now. So we have to come back over here, and we have to try to find the number 2. Where's the number 2 at, boys and girls? Let's see. Oh, here it is. So now you have to suck up the number 2. Are you ready? I got it. And then you want to put the number 2 on. Do you see that? There's the number 2. Now we need the number 3, boys and girls. So here I go. Let's see. Oh, I found it. So you want to take your straw and you want to suck up the number 3. Ready? I got it. And then you want to put the number 3 on top of this number 3. So like you're playing a matching game. It's a way to help you identify your numbers in a fun way. So now I'm looking for a number 4, boys and girls. Ready? Let's see. Let's see if I can suck up the number 4. Can you see that? Ready? Let's see. I got it. Look at that. This is really cool with the straw. And then you want to come back to your 10 frame and you want to put the number 4 on like that. Now I need the number 5. We ready to find the number 5? Here we go. Let's see. Where is it at? Okay, I'm looking here. I'm looking for my number. Oh, there's the 5. Are you ready to suck up the number 5? I got it. And you put it on your 10 frame over here. So now I'm looking for the number 6, boys and girls. So, I think it's right here. Here's the number 6. You ready? I got the number 6. What comes after 6? 7? All right, so we want to suck up the number 7. Are you ready? Okay, I got it. And then we need to get the number 8. I think that's the next number we're looking for, right? The number 8. Okay, so Mrs. Renner has to suck up the number 8. Ready? I got that one. And now we have to do the number 9. That's the number we're learning this week. So let's get that number 9. Ready? Woo! I dropped it. I got it. And you put the number 9 on. So boys and girls, that's how you're going to be doing that activity with the straw. That was tricky. It was really fun though. I mean, so basically, I know you couldn't see me, but when your paper's down on the table, you're just taking the straw. It's like you're drinking a milkshake. See? And then you just pick up the number. And then you put it on, you match it on the correct spot, boys and girls. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you remember your number 9. Make sure you're wearing your number 9, boys and girls. Have fun using your straw and sucking up those numbers. I know it's not a milkshake and I know it's not your favorite juice, but it's numbers and you can learn your numbers. It's a fun way to remember your numbers, boys and girls. Have a great day. Bye-bye.